Now, where would you expect, if you would expect, to meet a Tibetan monk, a blues brother, and two Elvis Presleys at 8 o'clock in the morning? Well, apparently it could be at a charity car rally visiting the region for the first time today. Its aim was to attract badly needed young talent into the auto repair industry. Paul Mooney has been finding out more.
There were the cars, and there were the stars.
Once again, I find myself with my friends.
This is the first time the AutoRaise rally has come to the northeast. The cars are a mix of classic and banger, and for the crews, well, fancy dress was not optional as they readied for departure at Ramside Hall in Durham.
We started this charity 2.5 years ago to help the vehicle repair industry get more young people into it. Massive skills crisis, fantastic opportunities for young people, and they can earn really good money, and it's a fantastic place to work.
And apprentices like Will and Charlie played a big part in preparing the rally cars.
We've stripped them completely, we've filled the bumpers, any dents that were remaining on the car, because obviously it's only a grand car, and then repaired it full out and through and then rebuilt it.
Just incorporating every skill that we've learnt in our apprenticeship and putting it all together, and as you can see, it looks quite nice.
So let me be a star for one night, that's right. Sweatbox, laser beam, flashing lights, you got to feel the rush, feel the...
Of course, it's not your average rush hour traffic, and the big question is, how many of them will still be running when we meet up with them at Kielderwater?
The fun has just begun, come on, the fun has just begun.
As the convoy made its way north, the overcast skies gave way to, as predicted, some summer sunshine. The entrants came from all over the country, but there were a couple of local crews.
Well, we've got here so far so good. There is a serious skill shortage within the industry, and the AutoRaise charity is all about encouraging youngsters out of school into the industry.
And in true wacky racist style, this comedy collection with a serious message made their way north towards the Scottish border. Paul Mooney, BBC Look North, Kielderwater.
Never mind youngsters into the industry. I fancy a job with that lot. They seem really good fun.
They're up for it, weren't they?
Not that you're not good fun.